one of the biggest pieces of value is that we're all coming to the table with the same understanding, knowing still that context is key, and sometimes how things can look and what they can maybe do easily, or they may have to be a little more innovative if you have 4 staff versus 40 staff. Both those contexts look different, but the value has been that everybody who's sitting at that table, whether they're a school leader, a coordinator of some kind, a learning coach, a director, senior administration, we're all coming to the table with the same goal in mind. That is, we need to support some of our most complex needs kids. But we also just need to build capacity around teacher pedagogy, that universal approach to good teaching, which lends itself to great professional learning as well. And so, that overlap. And I think when you have that common framework or that common understanding, it's so simple for us to sit down as an administration team or a leadership team and talk about, okay, what do our kids need? What way can we get to that, to make that happen? And it doesn't matter if I worry about moving an administrator from building A to building B, because they still come with that same piece. And so that ability for us to make changes and adopt what might be a necessary adjustment in our schools, or if we have to move people because of enrollment changes, like you don't start to go, wow, I can't really put that person there because they don't have this background. We have that universal capacity level and understanding that as a system, you become nimble and flexible because your leaders are coming in. Now, new leaders, we still have to do that work. We have to build that capacity and support them. And your team, again, has been instrumental in supporting that. But as a system, I think it allows us to be nimble, to be flexible. It allows us to have common language all the way through our conversations. It allows us to shift focus from, okay, well, this is about student services, this is about professional learning, but they're very intertwined. And really, it's about building capacity for staff to have that sense of self-efficacy, that I can make a difference. I've got teammates around me who are willing to help me find solutions. That really nobody should feel alone in terms of trying to be a better teacher, or in terms of meeting some of the challenges that teachers face in their classroom.